Hey you, what it do? It's your boy, Robdoesitall, coming to you live and direct from the world's northernmost town. It's Longyearbyen, Svalbard, Yarber, Norway. We got good news today, and the good news is that yes, Lindsay, reindeer treats are still 25 cents. Today's topic is going to be, is it expensive to live on Svalbard? Well, no. Is that the topic we were going to say today? I think that's what I'm going to make the title. I mean, it's not expensive to live here. And really Norway as a whole, once you get into the economy, you know, and you like, if you come here from a different country, it could seem expensive, but that's when you're bringing your money and your wages here. But when you're here and you're getting Norwegian wages, then everything levels out. What is expensive is moving. So right now I live on Svalbard, and depending on when you see this video, I will be living on the mainland. Because if you saw a few videos ago, I got my visa, my Norwegian residence permit granted. Yes. So now I will be leaving the island and I will be going back to the mainland to Tromsø. So I got to think of a new intro, you know, Robdoesitall coming to you live and direct from Tromsø. I don't know. I'm going over some things, you know, when I'm in the shower, I'll be trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. But yes, moving's expensive. So for example, as like I said, when you see this video, I may already be on the mainland. I don't know. I gotta pay rent, obviously, like everywhere, but I have to pay 3 months in advance, like for a deposit. 3 months for a deposit, not in advance, for a deposit. So that means I gotta pay 4 months, bam, right out the way, boom. I'm like, dang, I gotta pay that. Then for my Norwegian SIM card, which you need to have for your banking, online banking, you wanna have VIPs. VIPs is a whole Norwegian thing. It's like Cash App or Venmo in America. Push like someone's telephone number, send the money instantly. You can also pay for things at the market, different stores, wherever really, with VIPs. And you have to have a Norwegian phone number for that. So I had to pay off my iPhone from AT&T so I could unlock it. I don't know how to jailbreak it, and I wouldn't try and jailbreak it. I'll just pay it off, just do it, you know, whatever. Just try to do it that way. So I'm in the process of moving and packing and everything. And like I said, I had to pay all this stuff off. And a funny thing happened to me today. Because, you know, I'm not a rich man. If you guys know, if you follow me, all my social media is at Robdoesitall. And, oh yeah, you should be subscribing, liking, following, doing all the things, man. Come on, man. Hook your boy up, man. Support me. You should know I'm a bartender by trade. Bartender and bartender instructor, etc. So I'm not a rich man. I've been trying to just get to where I'm going. So paying for all this stuff, it left me broke. Look, between me and you, it left me broke, man. I'm broke. I ain't got nothing. I'm broke. So today, I was going to a friend's house. If you see on my Instagram story, I don't know when you'll see this, but look, I was playing ice hockey, going out there playing ice hockey, and my buddy was like, yo, at the restaurant, at one of the restaurants, it will remain nameless, but to the people who know, yo, good looking out. They had like 20 extra pizzas left over. Somebody ordered them. I don't know. They had a big party. I don't know what happened, but the pizzas were left over and they were just going to toss them. Well, you don't have to toss no pizzas when you got robbed. Come on, man. What are we talking about here right now? You know, what are we talking about? I got like no money, man. I'm broke. I got to move. I got to pay this, got to pay that. So groceries is, you know, I don't even want to open my fridge. It's bad. It's all bad in there. It's like eggs and pasta only because I bought that today to do grilling. So my man was like, yo, got these pizzas, right? So I'm like, yo, that's what's up, right? Bam. Pretty cool, right? He giving me free pizza. But I was like, whoa, how many do you have? He was like, well, how many do you want? So I was like, well, you know, I still got like 11 days before I move. So, I mean, if you're just gonna throw them away anyway, you know, I mean, listen, who am I to be having anyone throw away food. Listen, not on my watch, okay? That's what's definitely not going to happen, okay? So if you're on Svalbard, I don't know when you'll see this, but my house is lit right now. Mine is the house to come to. You know, my homies, I'm from Herndon, Virginia, right? Fairfax County, the DMV, right? 2 up, 2 down, right? That's Virginia. And my homies, they know I like pizza. So when there's an opportunity to get free pizza, I'm jumping on that. That's not even a question. Boom. And they wrapped in aluminum because I'm gonna throw them in the freezer if I got to. Put them in the freezer, you know, cook them, everything. I don't have a microwave, but I just got my oven here. Throw it on like, you know, 200 degrees Celsius. Be fine. Be fine. Look at that. What? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right? Wait. I gotta go. I'm getting my pizzas from off camera though. I ain't lying. I'm taking it. Yo, you might want to holler at me. If you like pizza, you might want to come over and get some pizza. Just saying. Remind me of this time I was hanging out with my friend Molly back in Oregon. And we ordered this pizza from Pizza Pipeline called the Colossus. This man was bigger than the whole door. You couldn't even get it in the door. You had to turn it sideways when the guy came. It was hilarious. Okay. That's the pizzas. I had to carry them in this big garbage bag. And, you know, it didn't look like they're heavy, but then when you carry them, they get heavy. I had to switch hands a couple times. It's all right. So I forgot. I lost count. Were you counting? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pizzas. This is called good karma. When you have good karma, the mana falls from the sky. Because you see, I'm blessed. I can't speak for you, but I'm blessed. And I got to take my opportunities where they come and seize the day. And yeah, carpe diem over here, right? Anyway, yeah. It's expensive, not that much. I got off track there. But hey, man, come on, my pizzas. It's like $950 for a 1-bedroom apartment here on Svalbard. And my place in Tromsø is going to be something similar. And I will do an apartment tour. Man, that's coming. I feel like I should probably do it now. Like when this video ends, I should just go ahead and do it. Let me make sure my room is clean and everything. Make sure I get that off. Maybe I just won't show that corner over there. But anyway, you know what? I am going to do that video next, and you will know because you will see my 11 ass pizzas. 11 ass motherfucker, man. Yeah, you'll see them all right there. But yeah, 950 euro, 9,500 kroner for an apartment. Then you have your power bill, which is like $50, internet, whatever, what have you. You get 1-bedroom spot, it's like $1,100, 1,100 euro. And that should be, you know, pretty good. It's pretty nice space. I'm going to do the video next. In Tromsø, I will be paying the same, but my place will be smaller. But that's okay. Look, you know my story. I have lived in smaller places for longer amounts of time. But anyway, that's the video today. I just want to show off my pizzas. Now I'm taking care of for the rest of my days here. And yeah. Subscribe, like, all the good stuff. You know, hook me up, help me out, check me out, all the good things. Follow me on all social media. Everything is Rob Does It All. Website is robdoesitall.com. All of it. All right. Peace.